welcome back to my channel. It is an absolutely miserable day in Melbourne today. It has not stopped raining, so I thought I'd do an indoor hobby today. So I wanted to show you how to make DIY beaded necklaces. So I'm going to show you everything you need and the whole step-by-step process. I bought all my supplies on Amazon. We love Amazon. This was a jewelry supplies kit. It literally includes everything. It's got tweezers, beads, letters, string. The only thing it doesn't include is pliers, and I definitely need mine, so you probably need some. But everything else is included, so it's a really great start if you don't want to go and buy all the supplies. Otherwise, you can just head to Spotlight or those kind of shops and get everything you need. And if you're new to my channel, please remember to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. All right, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start by cutting my string for both my necklace and bracelet. I usually use other necklaces just to get the right size. I'm then going to pick out my colors. So for my bracelet, I'm thinking this green and white together will be a nice pattern. I'm then going to pick out some letters. I'm going to do some branding for myself today. So I'm writing JBC for Jamie Be Creative. And then I'm going to do Be Happy on my necklace. Alright, so we're going to start with the bracelet. So what you want to do, it's a bit hard to see on the screen, but you're going to loop the string around the clasp and then tie it with a really secure knot in place just so the beads don't fall off. And then you're going to slowly start adding all the beads. So you can use tweezers to put all the beads on. This is what I'm doing here. So I'm going to do a pattern of 2 green with 1 white bead. And you'll just see that the tweezers do help a little bit, but I end up giving up on the tweezers pretty quickly just because they can be a bit finicky. So just keep putting all the beads around. Once you get about halfway is when you want to start putting the letters on. So I broke mine up with a love heart and then some white beads, but you can do whatever pattern you prefer. And then once you're finished, this is what it will look like. You can then cut off the excess wire. And then you've got the other clasp that will attach to your original one. Again, you're going to have to secure this in place. So just tie a really strong knot and then your bracelet is done. All right, so now we're going to focus on the necklace. So I'm thinking this blue, purple and white. Again, get your clasp. This is obviously going to be a longer string, so it's going to take you a little bit longer. So for this one, I'm putting 2 of each on the string. So I've got 2 purple, 2 blue, and 2 white. And I'm just going to keep going around. And then when I get about halfway through is when I'm going to add my Be Happy. This is what it looks like now. And then I'll start adding the lettering. And obviously for the necklaces, make sure you're doing it backwards because otherwise it will be backwards on your neck. Alright, so then you can use your pliers to clasp it again in place, tie that really strong knot, and then you're done. So I really hope you enjoyed that. It was really fun to do and really relaxing. So if you do end up making them, please tag me. I would love to see. So I'd really like to start a new series on all the hobbies that I do and trying new hobbies. So if there's any hobbies you want to see me do a video on, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye!